make mini slime. We have glue, a spatula, a container, and Tide, because we're using this without contact solution.
And we don't have shaving cream, so
It's not going to be fluffy. So you're just going to pour a small amount of
you
glue
can take the lid off of it.
into the bowl. Okay, take the lid off.
Once you have some complications.
Boop-a-doop. We're just mixing.
This is
in.
Holly. This is Skyla. This is Rhiannon. And this is me.
I'm sorry, I'm weak. I can't open that.
I'm a spatula head. I'm a unicorn.
I'm a limacorn.
Unicorn. I can't get this open. Mixing Tide. Just. Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
So
Okay.
we're just going to pour
A little bit of glue into the bowl.
what we have left.
What we have left. Yes, we have very little glue.
Sorry, that was my drink.
Struggling. Give it a good squeeze. Get it out. Na na na. As you can see, it's going in the bowl. Na na na. Na na na. Squeeze it. Lord have mercy. Okay. Should that be enough for a mini slime? Should that be enough? More. Okay.
Wait.
Tell me when that's good. Okay. That should be making an extra mini slime. Okay. There we go.
Hey, we're going to get what we can out of it so it don't make a big blob. You have to use very small of that because
It's
it's
very little because it will.
over.
This is okay. This is my first video. My first new video that we're doing.
So it's probably
You're
going to
gonna
be
be fine.
very cringy.
So if you don't like it, then hit dislike. If you like it, hit like. If you want to subscribe to my channel, just subscribe and leave a comment down below if you want me to make some more videos. Back to the mini slime.
Okay, so that's all the glue we can get
That's
out.
all the glue we have. Now we're just going to add about a drop or two. There we go. And we're going to mix it in. Still going to need some more. So I'm just going to add more. Just going to add a small drizzle. And drizzling. And we're going to mix.
This is the first time that we made without shaving cream.
Look, guys,
So-
it's starting to form. Just a little.
Can I
Just a little.
totally use this?
Yeah.
We had a little accident, as
Oopsie.
you can see. It's fine though.
Just a little bit more until it starts a bit more. Just a tad. There we go. And mix, and it's starting to form. And keep going. And let's see. Oh! It's glue. It's like glue. Just add like a lot. There we go. It's blue. So pretty. Just Tide.
And it is optional if you want food coloring or
Yeah.
whatever. The Tide dyes ours kind of a light blue. So.
Yes. Look,
Yeah.
this isn't even slime. It's just like goo. Look at that.
We have to add a whole lot.
Just put a bunch in there.
Hopefully I put those in the ground.
I did. I
Okay.
I put them.
We are in my dad's hunting blind, making slime.
There we go.
It's glue.
Okay, as you can tell, now it's starting to come into a big clump, so you just want to play with it now.
Yeah, it's very, very weird.
And we have two little things open.
Yeah.
The other two's closed.
So
'Cause we can see
sorry
what we
if the
do.
lightning is bad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are outside.
Yeah, and this is our first video. Look how it's turning out. Ew, it's so
So now it looks very sticky, but when you play with it, it'll become.
it will
slime.
become
Slime.
slime. Yeah, see how stretchy?
You gotta knead it to make it stretchy.
Needy. Need it. It's very sticky.
Wrap it on the blanket.
Get some Tide and pour just a very little on this.
Okay,
Just a
if
low
you
drop.
need some more, just add a drop or two to your glue. And this is a very simple recipe. It's 2-ingredient slime,
And it's super stretchy.
and it's super duper stretchy, and it smells like clothes, and it's just amazing. And if you want to, you can add a bit more just to make it like putty like this. It's a putty.
Some people might like theirs a little sticky, which I don't.
Me neither.
No.
What are you
Making putty. Making it
And then
putty.
you just want to keep mixing and then add as much as you want till you get your consistency or how you like your slime. You tell super stretchy.
There's my little putty. Putty. And it's ripping. Yeah.
So it's super stretchy.
Super
Sarah.
sticky.
Super sticky.
That's
Would you like some more?
That's my cat meowing.
Meow meow!
I've got
You
to go home.
can't unzip that.
What?
It's just a cat.
Okay. Ow.
I think you have to move, Holly.
Gotta go. Help. Out. Okay, I'm good. Okay.
Just
Okay.
unzip. Move that one down and then move the other one up. Move the other one up.
Bye, Rianne.
Bye.
Tell me how the video was.
Okay.
So as you tell, it's still a little
Come on,
sticky.
Holly.
So we're just gonna add just a tiny bit more solution to make it not as sticky.
This, yeah.
And make sure you don't
Then you have to zip the
overactivate
top
it.
one too.
So you don't want to over activate it or it'll become like not stretchy.
I'm going to give Holly the phone for a minute.
And then, yeah. So we just add a little more of this to make it non-sticky so you could touch it and play.
It is getting a little cold in here, so that's why I'm closing this.
Okay. So once it gets really good and stretchy, it is kind of fluffy because Tide is like a thick formula, so it kind of makes it like fluffy. And it's super stretchy and it has really good pokes and it's glossy. You want to play?
Sticky.
Sit on the grass. It's so wet. Right from my butt. Well, I guess. Okay.
Okay, so the slime is a little still sticky, so we're just gonna add some more activator. Now, I use borax because I just honestly think it works better, but some people can use contact solution, baking soda, whatever, Tide, all that, if they want.
As you can see, it's not sticking to me as bad now. But it is still a little bit sticky.
The wind.
I think you need some more Skylar.
Okay. So after a while, it should stop being sticky, but we have a little amount, so it'll take a little longer.
Fingers.
And now we're going to show you some SMR. Once we get this off our hands.
It's not going to come off my hands.
Thank you. Just watch. Thank you. Okay, so here's some SMR.
Put some towel on my hands. That's Sarah. That's my
We
Cat.
should have turned the flashlight on. Okay. So as you can tell, here is our slime. And yeah. Which I just dropped the camera. You cannot see nothing at all.
How can you put a flashlight? I'm putting towel on my hands because it won't stick to me when I'm knitting it. The cat's going to come in here.
So, well, we're going to leave. We'll catch you back next time.